It's already August. Why are you doing this? We're all guilty of panic studying, but does it really work for physics? So today, let's learn physics and go from zero to hero. To start off with our preparations, we really need to lay out our concepts. With grade 11, we are dealing with the foundational stages, units and dimensions, mechanics, dynamics, properties of solids and liquids, thermodynamics. In grade 12, we are building up on these foundations, electrostatics, electrodynamics, optics, modern physics, and electronic devices and communication. Once you're clear with what you need to do, then we can start off with our preparation. Considering we have very less time for that, we really need to create a foolproof plan for this. We're using the LAT system for this. By the time September ends, you need to have brushed all your concepts from grade 11th and 12th. October is P by Q month. November and December are mock test months so that you're ready for your January attempt. Now that we have decided on what months are going to be dedicated to what aspect, I want you people to create learning plans. Now these learning plans are going to be extremely special. Why? Because we are going to be working on these week by week. It's not going to be like I'm going to give you a plan right now and you're going to be following it till the very end as it is. It's going to be dynamic. We are going to see it evolve depending upon your needs. So how is this going to be effectively structured? At Learners Club, what do we do for learners like you? I have already given you what syllabus needs to be covered. I have already told you what timelines we need to follow. So we are going to be looking at what are your knowledge gaps. Firstly, then we look at your skill gaps. Lastly, we look at your routine gaps. Once you have these three things in mind, you can curate your learning plan according to how you want things to be sorted out. So September, you'll be clearing your knowledge gaps and your skill gaps. Throughout these entire 4 months that you have before your first attempt, you're going to have all of your routine blocks cleared out. I have talked about creating a learning plan before in this video, so check it out to understand it in detail. Or else, you can schedule a call with me today itself so that I can be on a one-on-one call with you, building your own learning plan and possibly working with you people every single week to see your success. So if that sounds good to you, make sure to schedule a call today. With this, thank you and happy learning.